in SAP S/4HANA, you need to do somewhat steps. What are those steps in SAP S/4HANA? Okay, in material management, you cannot create the material directly, all of you. Okay, you got my point. I will show you. Go to the transaction code MM01 and try to create the material. You will get a clarity. Go to the transaction code MM01. Take out any mechanical engineering. Come down. Anything you can able to take out, all of you, but I am taking industrial sector. It is related to the metals, right? Any metals wise and anything. So that's why I'm taking industrial sector as mechanical engineering. Okay, so go to, take out the material type. Take out the material type. Come down, down, down. See, trading goods we have taken, right? All of you. So that's why I'm just giving all these things. Trading goods. Take out first trading goods. No issue. Yeah. Click on the enter. Basic data 1, basic data 2, basic data 2, purchasing. Accounting tab 1, accounting tab 2, general data storage 1, storage 2. That is your choice. Okay. Continue it. Give your plant. Give your storage location. Continue it. Continue it. See, all of you. Material ledger. I will take out the screenshot here. You will get a clarity. Material ledger must be set productive for valuation area MAL2. Okay. So this is very, very important. So without without creating material ledger must be set productive for valuation area MAL2. Okay, so system will not going to enter any material creation for your valuation area. Valuation area is nothing but the plant, MAL2 plant. Okay, now you got my point, right? In ECC SAP S/4HANA, this is the major change. Materials ledger must be set productive. All of you, this is very, very important for material management consultants, not for you, but so to do all these things, I mean, to post the purchase order, to post the goods receipt, invoice receipt, to building things. Okay, so getting the payments from the vendors and all. Okay, so you need to have this material, right? So before that one, how you can able to do it? So what we need to do is take out the Word document only, ma'am. Go to the Word document. Go to the Word document. Go to the Word document. After the 17th point, you can just write down a point is in SAP S/4HANA. 17th, you can just put a point, A. No. Click on the enter. I will show you one thing. No, Control Z, give Control Z. Remove it. Remove A. Remove A. Click on the enter. Okay, you do one thing. Make it as a 18th point. Yeah, no issue. So 18th point is all of you in SAP S/4HANA. Write down in SAP S/4HANA. In SAP S/4HANA, when we are going to create the material, when we are going to create the material, while giving the plant and storage, while giving the plant and storage, So storage system will going to throw you an error. System will going to throw you an error. Going to throw you an error. That is what all of you. So material ledger must be set productive. Material ledger error, that is after the error you can just write down ma'am I dot e, that is after the error you can just write down I dot e, that is give me 10 minutes all of you, so we will complete the session. Tomorrow we will going to do the testing, no issue, right? That I dot e then next after the material ledger must be set productive. For valuation area, material ledger must be set productive. Material ledger must be set productive. Set productive. Productive. For valuation area, MAL2. For valuation area, MAL2. For valuation area, MAL2. MAL2. That's it, right? All of you. So this is your error. So to clear this error, okay, what are the points that you need to follow? So the next point is we need to activate the material status. We need to activate the material status for particular plant. That means MAL2, right? We need to activate the material status for plant MAL2 using transaction codes. Make it as a point, ma'am. Click on the enter. Using transaction codes. Click on the enter. Just give backspace and go up. There is a button, B button will be there, right? No. Give backspace. Go up, ma'am. There is a after that. No. After that. 1, 2, 3. Third one, ma'am. After that. In this, open that one. Anything? No. Not this one. Second one. Yeah. Make it as a point. Take out A. A point is a transaction code is all of you OMX1. 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 No need to write anything. OMX1. Next one is OMX2. Next one is OMX3. And the next one is CMK start. CMK start. No. Everything is one transaction code only. CMK start. START. CMK START. No need to have any spaces, ma'am. This is not a space. So these all are the transaction code to be set material ledger as a productive, all of you. Okay. So for that one, what we need to do is go back to the SAP S/4HANA. Go to the transaction code OMX1. Go to the transaction code OMX1. Okay, remove it. Give /n. Go to the transaction code OMX1. Okay. So go to the position and just give your valuation area as MAL2. MAL2. Continue. So see all of you. Now status is in a suppress mode. Okay, there is no status. I mean, it is not in a red color status. It is not in a green color status. So material ledger set must be set productive, right? To set that material ledger as a productive, what we need to do? So what we need to do? Give slash n. Give slash n. Go to the transaction code OMX2. Go to the transaction code OMX2. Yes. And when it comes to the material ledger, okay. So what is the material ledger type that we want to create? You do one thing, ma'am. So material type is different. We do one thing. Go to the transaction code OMX3. Go to the transaction code OMX3, and we will try to assign the material ledger type, okay, for our own valuation area. Okay, so that is the most important point right now we have. Now what we need to do is go to the new entries and give your valuation area MAL2, and material ledger type is a 9000 is the standard type. Take out the 9000. 9000. Okay, click on the enter. Click on the enter. Yes, status will be on green color mode. So go to this save button and save it. That's it. Go to the save button and save it. Create the request. Create the request. Yes. Now what we need to do is after the creation of all these things, go to the transaction code OMX1. Go to the transaction code OMX1. Go to the transaction code OMX1. Okay, go to the position and just take out your valuation area MAL2. MAL2. So it is in a status mode. What is the status mode? When you are having the material ledger that is 9000, okay. $9,000 is for the, again you are getting the material ledger status as this thing, right? Green color mode you are not getting. For this thing, what we need to do? So and material ledger should be activate, ma'am. And is this price determination procedure? Open that price determination procedure, that is transaction based. Yes, give the transaction based. Click on the enter, go to the save button and save it. Save the details. After activating live data must be converted. Yeah. Continue it. Continue it. So, but status is in a red color mode. Why it is in a red color mode? We should change it, right? Go to the transaction code OMX3, ma'am. Go to the transaction code OMX3. OMX3. Go to the position and give your valuation area. Material ledger is in status. Okay. It is in error mode. Now go to the transaction code OMX2. Go to the transaction code OMX2. And take out the material type as 9000. Material ledger type as 9000. Continue it. Select it and go to the define the individual characters. Company code currency and group currency. Why it is in group currency? Select that group currency and delete it. You cannot delete a material ledger is productive in valuation area. 0001 now. You should get the status as give /n. Go to the transaction code CMK start. Go to the transaction code CMK start. CMK start. CMK start doesn't exist. CKM start. CKM start. Sorry, that transaction code is CKM start. CKM start. Okay, take out your plant, ma'am. Take out your plant. MAL2 and exchange rate is M. Exchange rate is M. Okay. M. Take out the standard rate and remove the background processing and just do the testing now. Go to the execute option. ML currencies are not integrated in FI. Okay. Open this one. Go to the execute option once again. Okay, come back. Now check with this thing. OMX1 transaction code. OMX1 transaction code. You should get the generate master data and all. Okay. And our material. Go open the status. Open the status here. Open the status. Status, ma'am. After the material type, you have a status, right? Red color mark. 30 group currency, but not FI currency type. So that is the thing that we are having. You do one thing, remove it. Remove it. Select this one. What we need to do is there is a group currency. Okay, open the status. Open the status, no issue. Open the status. Open this long text details. Yes, long text details. Ma'am, details is that error detail, ma'am. This currency is marked as a material ledger currency, but it is not integrated in the FI. The currency cannot be used as a material ledger currency. Okay, remove it. Remove it. Why it is having a material ledger type of it? Ma'am, go to the transaction code OMX2. Remove it. Go to the transaction code OMX2. Go to the position and give your material ledger type as 9,000. 9,000, ma'am. Continue it. It is in a manual mode, right? Remove the manual. Remove the manual. Go to the edit option, ma'am. Display edit option. Remove the manual. No. It is not. It is not giving. Why? Because those all are the system defined ones, right? For that, we need to set up the controlling type also. So that's why we are getting this. I mean, they have analyzed the thing. Material ledger. AM10 is there. You do one thing, ma'am. Select AM10. Select AM10. Here AM10 is there, and go to the define individual characters. Come back. Come back. Only we are using only company code currency, all of you. That's why we are getting that error. Select double 0001. Select 0001 and go to the define individual characteristics. Yeah, you do one thing. Go to the transaction code OMX3. Go to the transaction code OMX3. Go to the transaction code OMX3. So go to the position and give your valuation area MAL2 and remove this 9,000. Just give 0001. Ma'am, don't do it, ma'am. Cancel it or give /n. Give /n. Go to the transaction code OMX3. Don't be in a hurry. Okay. If you do it, everything will be spoiled. Go to the position and give the valuation area. Remove it. Assign 0001. Assign 0001. Take out. Click on the enter. Go to the save button and save it. Now what you need to do? Give /n. Go back to the transaction code OM X1. OM X1. Now go to the position and give the valuation area. See all of you, 0001 status is in a selective mode, that is green color mode. Why? Because we don't have any group currencies. I will tell you about the group currencies in controlling. Okay, so controlling, we need to select the group currencies instead of having the company code currencies and all. Okay, so this is the way you can able to have the price determination conditions. And again, you need to check with the those things like OMX2. Okay, you can able to have the material valuation type. In that material valuation type, you can able to see the details. Okay, so that is the choice that we have. Right, all of you. Okay, this is the way. I mean, if you are having the status like red color mode, okay, so this will not going to accept. In the price determination, why I'm taking the price determination is that is transaction based price determination. Okay, so that is the most important point we have. Go back to this step, ma'am. Go back to this step. I mean, Word document. Word document. Word document, and OM X1 is for the activation of material ledgers. Just write down hyphen. Activation of material ledgers. Activation of material ledgers. And in your systems, all of you, so I mean, just follow with currency valuation, that is company code currency, right? Activation of material ledgers. Then OMX2, define material ledger type with currency type. Define material ledger type with currency type. Define material ledger type with currency type. With currency type. Then next, assignment of material ledger type to the valuation area. OMX3, assignment of or else assign material ledger type to the valuation area. Assign material ledger type to the valuation area. Material ledger type to the valuation area. Type to the valuation area. To the valuation area. That's it. And when it comes to the next one, CKM start, ma'am. That is CKM start, not CMK. CKM start. CKM start. Go to the transaction code CKM start, ma'am. Go to the transaction code CKM start. Okay, same all of you, remove the background processing and all, you can just give the exchange rate as M. So this is for the, what is your plant? MAL2 or MALP? MAL2, right? What is your plant? Go up. MAL2 your plant. Take out MAL2. Or else go to the drop down option and try to check with everything with the drop down option, all of you. Okay, go to the finding option and take out the MAL2. Yes, take out it. Now what we need to do is we will going to run the background options. I mean production setup for the material ledger. Go to the execute option with the test run. Yes. See all of you. Generate master data for stock materials. Generate master data for project materials. Create master data for vendor materials also we are getting. Okay. So in previous screen, we are not getting why? Why? Because group currency has not been assigned to your controlling area. So that is why. So you need to take out the company code currency. Okay. So that is the most important choice that we have right now. Okay. So analyze it. Material ledger is very, very important, all of you. Okay. So without having the material ledger concept, okay, that means stock material availability, sales orders materials. I mean, say, why you are generating the sales order master data availabilities and all? Why? Because for the selection of the material status records, okay, related to the what we can able to say. Uh, uh, Based on the yeah, when it comes to the purchase information flow, all of you, based on that purchase information flow, you will going to sell the material right to the customer. Okay, so for that production setup startup, you need to have these background processings. What are those background processings? Okay, so background processing is project materials and vendor master materials and all. I mean, production setup is very, very important. If I tell you each and everything, you will not going to understand it. Okay, so that is why just please be confirmed with all these material master records details with the help of output details of production. Okay, so that is the important process that we have, all of you. Okay, what we need to do is come back, ma'am, one step back. See, this production startup of the material ledger is not started, and we will going to start it. Come back, one step back. Remove the test run, select the background processing, and go to the execute option. Yes. And confirm it, ma'am. Confirm it. Click on confirm. Yes. What you need to do is you have to give the LP01. Okay, you have to give the LP01. Why? Because see, all of you, checking of the checking of the production is very, very important, and you have to give the I mean output devices for the LP01 for this material production setup. Okay, so that is very, very important. Yeah, continue it. Continue it. Yes, continue it. See, all of you, job production startup for user is scheduled. So once that production is scheduled, automatically in the background processing, you can able to run up. Okay, for the best practices, you need to do the test run, then come back to the background jobs and save the details. So this is the way you can able to do it, all of you. Okay, you got my point, right? Now what we need to do is, all of you, we need to save this variant. Okay, go to the save button, ma'am. Go to the save button. Give the variant name, ma'am. Give the variant name. Any variant. What you need to give here. MAL underscore variant. MAL underscore variant, and the description is material status. That's it. And the description is material status. Ma'am, MAL variant description is under that description you have, right? That description is material status. The description is a material status. So it should have the details. Yeah, go to the save button and save it, ma'am. That's it. So see all of you. So this material has been saved and hinge were identified, and see the long text. Okay, so that is very, very important right now. We have what we need to do is give slash n, ma'am. Give slash n. Go to the transaction code MM01. Go to the transaction code MM01. Now we will going to see all of you whether it will going to give you the error or not. Okay. Continue it. Material ledger must be set productive for valuation area now. Okay, continue. That one is productive, right? Remove it. What is the storage location, ma'am? MALS only. Storage location is MALS. Yes. Come back. Remove it and give slash n. Give slash n. Go back to the transaction code OMX1. Go back to the transaction code OMX1. Go to the position and give the valuation area. 0001 is active. Okay. And then next to OMX3. OMX3. Go to the valuation position and just give valuation area. This one is also status is good. Okay, good. Go to the transaction code MM01. Yeah, click on the enter. Take out basic data 1, basic data 2. Purchasing. Come down. Accounting tab 1, tab 2. Continue it. And give the plant and storage location. MAL2 and MALS. Continue it. And open this thing, ma'am. Open this error. Material ledger must be select. Must be productive for valuation area MAL2. Yeah, open it. New valuation area has been created. Okay, it is required to activate material ledger via transaction code OMX2, OMX3, and OMX1. Afterwards, it needs to be set productive via transaction CKM start. Please stick to the process described in ASAP. Yes, we have stick to the process, right? Remove it. Remove it, ma'am. Again, why it is getting the material ledger productive as maybe have we done any mistake? Maybe company code is not in ML and FI, right, ma'am? So that's why we are getting the error. Okay. For this, what we need to do? Okay, remove it, ma'am. Company code. Give me 1 second. I will check with this. Yes. See, all of you, plan can be set as a productive, but the company code is not there. When the company code is not there, what we will do? So go to the transaction code CKM start, ma'am. Yes. Go to the transaction code CKM start. You do one thing, ma'am. Remove the test run and remove the background processing. Remove the test run and remove the background processing. Go to the execute option, ma'am. Then our complete picture, I mean, our plant will come into the picture. Come down, ma'am. Okay, 26th. Okay, plant is set up. So unlock materials in plant. Okay, good. Come back. No issue. Come back. And go to the save button. Yes, come back. Come back. No issue. And go to the save button and save it. That's it. Save it. Give the variant, another variant, any another variant too. And give the description. Give the description. Previously, how many steps that have been generated? That is 20 steps only. Can you open this hinge for identified? Already productive. Now it is in a productive. Okay. Now it is in a productive. Okay, give /n. No issue. No need to worry. Now go to the transaction code MM01. Basic data 1, basic data 2, purchasing. And general plant data storage 1, storage 2, accounting tab 1, accounting tab 2. Continue it. Give the plant and give the storage location. Continue it. So now the error is completely resolved, all of you. Are you getting my point, right? So tomorrow what we need to do is we will going to create the material and we will going to do the testings. Okay. So if anyone is having doubts and all, just ask me. I think so. It is taking 4 hours of time. You don't have any doubts, right, all of you? So do it. I mean, in SAP S/4HANA, you will going to face a lot of errors. Okay, so I mean, they will not going to ask you any errors regarding with all these things. But yeah, we will see it. Okay.